Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa and today is June release. I have it in my hands. Hopefully by the time I post this I'll have lots of projects to share. I'm just going to share the videos and then come back at the end like I usually do with all the projects I've done. Although right now I've just cut out the papers and I don't have them done, but you guys, there's 19 new designs. I feel like they're very much travel themed, but some really fun ones in there. And I have a new favorite flower that I've been playing with like crazy, pulling it out and trying to put it together to see how it goes, and that's one of my favorite. I'll have to come back at the end and show you guys. Anyways, let's jump in because there's a lot. These two I feel like go together. They are called the airplane circles and the airplane shaker. They are so cute, you guys. Look at this. You get two sizes of the rings or circles. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it comes with extra little airplanes. I cut them out. They're super cute. The shaker one is so cute. There's a large and a small, and it comes with the two shaker components. I just cut out the outline so far. It's a good, decent size. So I like that. It makes it easier to make the shaker. And then these are holiday words. You get holiday, relaxing, beach, sunset, sunshine, and vacation. Super cute, you guys. I love this font. It's absolutely adorable. It's like a good chunky size, but cursive. Okay, you guys, this one's really cool. This is called the journal page. Oh my gosh, I have one in the book in the works with this. So cute. I picked out my papers, I cut them out. I love this part here because I feel like you could even use this separate instead of just the journal page itself. So like if you wanted to not use the outline part or the line part, you could just use this as a book for a journal. So this is pretty cool. Love it. And it's huge. I think I want to say, no, this one isn't it. This one is about 8.5 ish, right? 8.25. Yeah, 8.25, and across it's about 5.5. So you can still use your what is it, 9x6 plates for that one. So cute. And then this one, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. I've already cut out my paper. It is a luggage mini album. Absolutely love it. You get like so many layering pieces that you don't have to, you know, use them all. You can mix them on how you layer. So fun. Okay, this is a cute little flower. It is called spring flower, but I feel like this reminds me of those white flowers that you would blow and they would like, you know, disintegrate. This is what that reminds me of. So I think I'm gonna I cut out some colored ones, but I'm gonna do them all in white to see if I can mimic that. I think that'll be so cute. Okay, there's new baking words, which are so cute. I don't feel like they're like Christmas words. They're more just like baking like words in general that you can use for different things. So you have baking treats, delicious, sweet babe, sweet treat, treat yourself, sugar, yum, sugar crush, baked with love, and sprinkles. Like I feel like this is more like a baking in general, so it's fun to have these and use them for like you can use them for different things, cards, ice cream photos, like different things like that. Okay, these are really cool. These is called a cloud doily, and you guys, there's like 2 layers. I already cut them out. I just need to piece them together, but you get this really cool cloud, like, you know, trim or edge. And then you have like stenciling, but then you, or not stenciling, stitching, but then you have this layer here. I love that. I can't wait to play with these. These are really cool. Okay, this one's really neat. I already cut these out, the diamond rosette. They come out really good. The only thing, I thought it was going to be hard to fold because I've had other ones where it didn't fold well. And I have to go in with my score tool. This one I did not. This one actually, I can cut it out and start folding, and it folds really well. So I love that. And then, oh my gosh, this one I already have my album cut out, you guys. It is called the Road Trip Mini Album, but it's like a little V Volkswagen buggy is what it reminds me of. It is so cute. I have my papers cut out. So hopefully when I come back at the end of the video, I can show you guys what I've come up with so far. Okay, ocean view, beach bound, vacay vibes, sunshine days, weekend getaway, seaside memories, adventure, road trip, bon voyage, and pretty in paradise. These are the beach words number 3. They're so pretty in cursive. I really like these. I've cut some out to add to this. And then there's beach words number 2, and it comes with waves, pool days, sun-kissed, beach, cocktails, seashells, sand, sun, flip-flops, and wanderlust. This font is a little bit chunkier than this one. I feel like this is thinner, but I love this. I think I like this font. There is a new A2 shadow box. Really like this one. I'll share that once it's, well, I cut the paper out like I said, but I haven't put it together. But it's so cute because, and I love these shapes, you guys, in here. There's like 4 of them, and you can make embellishments with these. That's what I really want to do with this too. And then there are new Boggy Bad add-ons. I want to say that, what did I, oh yeah, it comes with 2 designs for the bog bag, which I really like. And then there's I think a bow one. Anyways, you use it with your other bog bag set. So I haven't cut it out yet, but I'm going to. Okay, I cut this one out, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's a scalloped mini album. I can't wait to share this one. This is going to be a Monday mini album for sure, but it comes with like the album itself, and then you get layering pieces in there. Oh, love it, like a pocket, and it is so good, you guys. I can't wait to make this one. Okay, this one I've been having lots of fun playing with this one, you guys. I cut out tons of them because I love, when I tried it out to make one of the flowers, I really like the way it folded up, and I like the when you layer it up, how it looks. So this one's called the oh gosh, I was having trouble. I had to go ask for help. Really? Anemone, I think it's how you say it. Anemone, I think. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is what happens when you're like ESL. And it's the new flower. I really like it. I think I like this one more than the other one. But you guys, this set here, the Party Box mini album, I cut it out using the French Girl paper that I got from ScrapDiva Designs. I've been cutting out lots of papers from that one because I want to make the luggage one into an album, and then this one into an album as well, because I think the little purse, it reminds me of a purse more than a party box. I think it's going to make a cute embellishment book, so I'm going to do that. And then I have this set here. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. I have stamped it around already. It's a summer ticket stamp set. So it comes with the words, and then you get a whole new ticket set. So if you don't have her ticket set, it's included in here, and I think that's absolutely cool. And you get a bunch of fun sayings with the stamp for like summer. It's super cute. And then there's a new box. I absolutely love this one. I've cut it out a couple times, and I'm hoping to have one done. It's called the Take Out Dinner Box. That's what it's called. So cute. So stay tuned because I will be back to share what I've made so far. Hi crafty friends, I am back. I have been working like crazy to get some of these projects done so I could share them with you guys. I don't know how much I put on Instagram or even here on the shorts, on the stories, or I can't even remember what they're called anymore. Anyways, I have been playing around with the paper collection, French Girl, and I want to say Lemonade. I just don't have that one completely done, and so I don't want to share that one until I'll come back and make a separate video with that. But you guys, I have been having so much fun making albums. I made some fun rosettes. Oh my gosh, look at the little treat box. Let's jump in because I think the last video was kind of long. Oh my goodness, you guys. I don't know if I shared this one. I can't remember. Oh, this is the one I did. Sorry guys, my brain. So I shared this as the Monday mini album, I think. Gosh, must have been like a couple days ago. You guys, I am behind on sharing my projects, I think. It is our last week of school, so I am mentally kind of not here. I have a lot of stuff going on. Okay, you guys, this is how big the album turned out. Isn't this so cute? I did cut this out to make it a shaker and then added some of the ephemera from the collection. Here's the flower. Is it not the prettiest? I absolutely love it, you guys. And then it turned out so good, like so many little you know, things that I could add to this. I love it. But I mainly used the flower, and then I used some of her older flower sets that she has in her collection. I don't know if they're still available, but you guys, this turned out so good. And it's so big, so I think it's definitely like something to think about if you travel a lot or you want to make a little box, because I think this is also like got a good like edge to make a quick box. So think about that. The other album that I did make, here's the little van. Isn't this so cute? I don't know if I'm done with it. I'm not going to share completely because I do want to make this a video itself. I want to say this one I already made the video, and this one I think I started it and then had to stop. Yeah, I got interrupted, so I got to go back and redo it. But I love this little image. It is so cute. And this will be cute for a card too, I think, because you could just use this part, or you could even just trim it lightly. And it's so cute. I did make a cute little charm dangle to go with it. Isn't this fun? I love these colors. This is just an older collection I have that I actually found at Goodwill. You guys, I found this case, those 12 by 12 cases, full of beach stuff for $2.50. That has been one of the best finds ever. I am starting this album to absolutely love this paper. It's the French Girl. Like I said, Erica has a mega bundle. I think some of the other stuff is sold out, but the mega bundle was still available, and it comes with so much, like chipboard stickers, puffy stickers, paper, what else, ephemera. So definitely want to do that. And this is also a good size for a box. You guys, look at this. This would be cute, like if you're doing a party for like tea party type or a little girl party. I think that would be fun to make. Okay, the other thing I did was the plain. How fun is that? Look at this circle. Isn't that so cute? I made an embellishment, and then I added the shaker component, but just the outline. I love how that looks. And I pulled out Erica's older stamp set that she came out with last month, I think. Yeah, and it had a fun travel sticker in there. So I thought, oh, that'd be cute. And I used the stamp here and then more stamps there. And then I pulled out her older set. I absolutely love this tag set, you guys. I told you I would have it available on my table to use as needed. So I did do that. But how fun are those? And now I can make like a travel, like something with it, like a little mini album or something would be cute. Okay, you guys, these are the doily circles. They are so cute. So they come in different sizes. Obviously, I'm still working on this project. But here's the smallest size, and I also cut the circle out there, and I did some stitching. And what I decided to do was take vellum and put sequins in there. So it's a Heidi Swapp sequence. It's kind of chunkier in size. And then I just stitched, I did a full stitch, and then I did a zigzag stitch for this. And it's just going to do some fun, like fun flowers. I don't know, tags, maybe a little mini album, maybe put more stuff on the other side. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but this is my progress. Now, these are just dies from my own stash, but this is the die itself. And I put like blue and green and pink to match the paper. As you can see on this one too. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's in there. And then look at this one. This one's fun. This one's huge, you guys. It's like, what is that? About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish in size, 5 inches. That's pretty good. So you get all those. You get that one, you get this one, you get this one, and you get this one. So that's a good, fun size. But that's what I've made so far with that. And then look, here's the other flower I had left over. Isn't it cute? I think it's going to be fun to do in white. And then put like a real, like big white pearl in the center. I think that'll be so pretty. And then I have this fun little rosette. Look at that. My girl loves to eat, especially chocolate. I have so many fun little pictures of her, so I thought it'd be cute to make a rosette with her picture, because we do make embellishments with them, but I thought, wouldn't it be fun to just like make something cute, and I could put it in my room, and I could just look at her little face, and oh, I miss them being little, you guys. Sweet treat, that's one of the new baking words. Isn't that so cute? I did pull out Erica's gummy bear from her mason jar set. I thought that was a good like candy to add to this, because there is the word yum. And so then I ended up pulling the macaroons and the little candy that also come with the collection and just added them here. And then I pulled out some fun stickers. And then this bow is actually from the set here, as you can see, it's the same bow. I thought I'd add one here. And then here's the flower that I was telling you guys that I had cut out in different colors. Doesn't that look so cute? Like a rainbow, but it's just, I think it looks so pretty in multiple colors. And then I made this box. This is one of the boxes. I have others cut out, but I finished this one up. So this paper actually was gifted to me. I want to say Sue gave this one to me. And I just have so many floral papers that I thought it would be so cute to add, you know, make it like this purple blue theme with the flowers, because I really liked them. And then the center, I decided to add stickles to it, and then these little rhinestones in the center, and then the leaves come with the set, with the flower set. So it turned out perfect. And I pulled out my Diana Markham stamps because I thought that was so perfect to add here. And look at this, you guys. This is the pretty little layer from the A2 cards. Isn't that so perfect? This is going to be so good for Christmas. Like, I think I would just buy it just for this set here. Because I love those nesting sets. They're so cute. And it fits my stamp perfectly. I did add a butterfly down here, and then added this stamp too, to be able to add a little bit of color so it wouldn't just be the wording there, and it worked out so good. And then over here, this one actually comes with the die set, and you cut it out, and I'm pretty sure you can like glue it to hold it. But I thought it'd be fun to take one of these little clips, add some fun tulle, and then, you know, look at this. It's so big, you guys. And so quick to put together. Like, this would be perfect. I wish I would have had this for like teacher week, because I could have put so many treats in there. But now I have it for next year, so I'm definitely pulling this out for Christmas. How fun is that? It's so cute. And you could add a tag too if you wanted to. All right, friends, this is what I have so far. I do have more projects cut out that I'm going to be sharing soon, some tutorials of what I'm working on. So you're definitely going to want to come back for those and see what I made. And I hope you guys have some favorites that you've seen so far, and you guys pick out some. Don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10 to save 10% off the dies, because there are paper collections, but we're not using our discounts for that, you guys. And what else? Check out hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. And I hope you guys have a great weekend and a good start to your summer. Bye.